Hello, welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop with a printer stand. We haven't done a printer stand video for a while, but we had one coming through here that was a custom stand for one of our customers, and we wanted to show it to you. So our printer stands are normally half of this. You know, they're one wide, made to put two printers, one in this slot, one up above, with some media or whatever the customer wants to put down below. But in this case, the customer kind of has a purpose-built spot for these to go. They wanted to have two wide, and they didn't want to have two stands. They wanted us to go ahead and custom build a printer stand that would hold 4 printers. There should be 2 up here and one in this spot as well, for a total of 4. I don't have 4 printers to put in here. And I intentionally put one down in this second spot, this bottom spot, so you can see that this printer pretty well exactly fits down in that slot. So customer, and they're buying hundreds of these printer stands from us. We love them, and we love that. And they're going to be 4 each. And so the customer has a cutout, and then they've got an upper shelf that's 60 inches high, and they want to slide this printer stand in there. And by the way, another thing that's different, it's on casters. They want to be able to roll this printer stand, I should say, in there, use the printers, do whatever they need to do. They're going to put some little bars here to keep anything from tipping, because you always have to be aware of that with these printer stands, that when you pull the printer out, you're cantilevering a lot of weight. And if you pull 2 of them or even all 4 of them out, this thing could tip on you. So we usually put little bolt holes, but in this case, the customer is going to guard and put a little block to keep the printer stand in place. So day to day, you're printing labels, but they're a pretty clean environment, so they wanted to be able to then push this printer stand out, be able to get in behind and clean and do whatever they need to do, or tend to any wiring or do whatever they wanted to do, and then be able to roll the printer stand back in and then put their little blocks on here to hold it into place and to keep anything from tipping. So we love to sell our standard printer stand, and it works for most applications, but customers come to us with all different problems that they want us to solve, solutions they want us to come up with. A common one is I got an 8-inch wide or a 6-inch wide printer, and as you can see, this 4-inch wide printer pretty well fits exactly in here. So we'll do wider ones, and we've done taller ones, and we've done different things, but this is the first time we've done a double wide on casters kind of specifically for this. So wanted to highlight this, wanted to let you know that, gosh, if our standard printer stand works for you, I'm looking at them, there's a dozen of them in our warehouse here. We can ship them out tomorrow. They're ready to go. They're done. But if you go, it's close, but it's not quite right, we can make a custom one for you as well. So if this is something that can help you, if you've got printers just kind of laying around and it's awkward, and you'd rather get them all consolidated into one area, where you can slide them out and change media and do whatever you need to do and slide them back in. By the way, these top shelves slide out as well. It's something we do a lot of, and we'd love to be able to help you. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to reach us. Thanks for your time.